Hello everyone, I am David Lewis, and today I'd like to share with you the 3 buying conditions that most customers have before they purchase a car. And many of you will be shocked that price is not one of those buying factors. You see, first the customer must find a car they love. Nobody, and I mean nobody, buys a car they do not love just because the price is right. Second, the customer must like you. Who would spend tens of thousands of dollars buying a car from someone they just don't like? They can just go to another dealership and probably find the same car. And third, they must feel comfortable doing business with your dealership. You see, price has nothing to do with it. How many times have you sold a customer a car that was over their budget? We all know that happens all the time. Why? Because they fell in love with a car they just had to have. They liked you as a person and the manner in which you treated them. And finally, their experience in your dealership was one of non-pressure and enjoyment. So, stop making price a focal point of your presentation. Find a car they love, get them to like you, and create an atmosphere that is conducive to the customer making a buying decision today, and you will sell more cars. Good luck, everyone.